Good morning, students. This is third standard mathematics term 3. Patterns. This is our unit 3. Now we start our unit 3 patterns. First we see about iterative patterns. What is iterative patterns? Iterative patterns is a pattern in which numbers or symbols are used to create another patterns. We already study about patterns. Patterns is two types. Patterns are two types. What is that? Growing pattern and repeated patterns. Growing patterns and repeated patterns. This is we see about iterative patterns. Now we see the Rangoli. Rangoli is created by the growing patterns of colors and shapes. We use the colors and shapes growing the patterns. For example, we grow the patterns like we start to square. First of all, what is growing patterns? Square, another one square. Next we take 1, 2, 3 square. Next we take 4, like 4 square. That is the growing pattern. That is the growing pattern. See, 1 square, then 2, then 3 squares will come. So it's growing up. So it's called growing patterns. Rangoli also it's one type of growing patterns. They used only colors and shapes. Now you see the examples. See here, full and full, square only, then square, one circle. This is square. It's growing up. No, square, then circle, then half circle, then triangle, then circle, then triangle. Like this. No, it's a growing pattern. Another one name is called Rangoli. See the other examples also. This is Rangoli. Continue the pattern to complete the Rangoli. Here they give a half patterns only. Now we will fulfill the patterns. Here you draw like this. You join this line. Wait, I draw properly. Extend this line, then you join. Like this, we make one star. Make one star. This is not proper. You draw like this. So this is completed. Next we draw this one. So you come touch the all lines. The lines are must connected. So you draw properly. The next thing, draw the circle, half circle, then you draw like this. When it's touched, then one small circle, here also one small circle, then here 3 dots, isn't it? 1, 2, 3 small circles. Then we draw like this. Draw. I use hand, so it's not proper. So you draw with using pencil means it's come properly. Now third one, you extend the lines first. Extend the line, then you join this line from here to here. This is small thing I draw like this. Then this half line you join like this. Make the perfect. You use pencil, it's come perfectly. Then pulley columns. Pulley columns are created by drawing straight lines and curved lines along the pulley or dots. Straight line means we draw like this. This is straight line and this is curved line. Pulley columns means we use only straight lines and curved lines along the dots. See here they give some examples of pulley columns. These pulley columns can be extended to any area by repeating and continuing the patterns of straight lines and curves. We can able to extend it in any area by repeating and continuing the patterns. Now you see that fourth one, draw two pulley columns of your choice along the given dots. They give us dots is our choice. It's your choice. You will draw any pulley columns. I draw this one for example. Sorry. Like this you will draw. This is your choice. You draw any pulley columns. Okay, here also you draw like this. Don't draw this one only, you draw whatever you think. But neatly, must you draw neatly. Along we draw the straight line and curved lines along the dots. Then here in brown you would draw anything. Like this. Just for example, you don't draw this one, that's your choice. Then you draw the another thing. It's coming crowing and repeating, continuing the pattern. This is our pulley columns. So here I did only question number 1 and 4. Remaining 2 and 3 is a homework for you. Do best. Thank you.